Now we're gonna have some fun with the frog stand exercise. In yoga, it's called the crow pose. For whatever reason, gymnastics calls it the frog stand. And it's going to be the first time that you're fully supporting your entire body on your arms. So let's go into, well, I'm gonna show you first how to do it. You're gonna see how to do it, then I'm gonna break down the steps. And also I'm gonna bring this, I don't use this, but I think if you're new to doing a frog stand, you're gonna wanna put this down in case you feel like you're gonna topple over. You'll see why in a second. So that's how you do the frog stand. Let's break that down step by step. So the first thing is, again, you might want to pull this so that when you get into the frog stand, if you feel like you're going to tip over, your face is going to fall into something nice instead of the floor. I don't use it anymore because I've been doing this for a while. The second most important thing is when you grab the ground, look at my hands. My hands aren't fingers together and they're not flat. My fingers are spread wide to make a broader base of support, and I'm gripping the ground and I'm about shoulder width apart. Okay? And I'm in this squat position, gripping the ground, pressing hard into the floor to activate my muscles. Then I'm going to just rest my knees right on top of my triceps. I'm not on my elbows, I'm on my triceps. I'm just going to slowly shift my weight until I'm fully supported. And that's how you do the frog stand.